is Focus. I'm in M216. Today I will talk about why do people have to sneeze.
Hello, my name is Minnie. I am in 216. Hello, my name is Greg. I am in 216.
Hello, my name is Manpon. I am in 216.
Okay, let's see our videos.
Hello everybody, my name is Greg in 216. My name is Minnie in 216. My name is Focus in 216.
My name is Manpon in 216.
Today we are going to talk about why people have to sneeze.
Sneeze happen really sudden and can control. Sneeze have some symptoms depend on cause of the happen with sneeze.
The cause of sneeze will have 1. Have snuff and stuffy nose, 2. Have wet eyes and burning eyes and itchy eyes, 3. Cough, 4. Sore throat.
The cause of sneeze. Sneeze reaction with nose. Nose will filter dirty things becomes not, but sometimes dirty things can pass in nose and filtrate and become sneeze.
Stimuli caused from environment are 1. Dust, 2. Smoke, 3. Air pollution, 4. Changing temperature.
Sometimes we sneeze from allergic rhinitis. It is the cause that make us sneeze all time. And if we get cold from virus or use some medicine and injure in nose, we will be sneeze.
The strange cause from sneeze are sneeze when we see the sunlight for a long time. It's called phonic sneeze reflex.
The second strain cause from sneeze is plucking eyebrows. It's easy to make up sneeze because our face has no teeth.
The second cause from sneeze is exercise because when we exercise, it high circulating blood.
And it will make us breathe strange. It affect to nose and mouth. Nose will respond and release secretion.
The danger when we refrain sneeze, sometimes we are in the place that can't make the loud sound, and we will refrain sneeze, but it's danger.
Sometimes refrain sneeze will make us die because the air that has to go out, it will go up to the brain.
Symptom of this is we cannot swallow and cannot speak. But doctor hear the sound from tongue to lip.
The symptoms of this look like Bohab syndrome, that the throat near windpipe will be turned. It is really danger.
And another thing that danger from sneeze is bacteria. It can be contagious to another person like COVID-19.
But we can prevent it by wearing masks and use alcohol all time to protect our body.
Thank you for watching.